All right, Menina, if you go into the Caribbean to the sea, any sport, what do you need?
If you're gonna do sports and you wanna make sure that everything stays nice and dry, you need this Unigear floating waterproof dry bag.
Begin now. Hey, how you doing, everyone? This is Dagger from MEDIABOXENT. So,
We have this awesome bag. I'm so excited about it. By the way, this one is 30 liters. You can also find it in 2, 5, 10, 20, and 40 liters. It's anti-leak and anti-tear. It's 100% waterproof. It's perfect for boating, fishing, paddling, swimming, hiking, and cruising. It also has a waterproof phone case. I'm wearing the package that you're opening right now.
yeah, so this is the first section. We're going to be doing like the open box, and the next section we show you pictures or video, maybe
the
when we are in the
Bahamas.
Caribbean. So,
Yeah.
it
It's
looks
very
real.
well built. It's
Yes, I
thick.
like it the way
Yes, it's like welded,
well
right?
done. Given the instructions how to do it here, and it's pretty big.
I love
Check
this
this
color.
one.
You will see it from far, far
Yeah,
away.
you get different colors too. So, what else we get? We get the instructions, whatever the thanks card. These things you will send one of this through here. So by changing cameras, so we can see the way it looks.
Hmm.
And the way to do it is you just go this way.
And you roll it in or roll it up, whatever you
Yeah.
want to say. At least 3 times. From there, you can do it as many times as you want.
Yeah.
I was thinking
So-
about the sizes. You have 2 and 5 liters, but I was thinking it might be better to get the bigger ones because anyway, you can make it as small as you want by
Yeah.
rolling and rolling, rolling.
Yeah. So you go like that.
This one is 30 liters. The
So
following
that
one
protects
is
this floats in the water, so you
Yeah.
can put your camera gear, whatever
40.
you,
Yes.
whatever
it
you want to
floats.
put here, so it stays this way.
Yeah.
Now the next thing is you just grab this and go like this. You go on the beach or either to protect the stuff from the sand when you go to your local
I
beach.
think we're going to take this one like on the train when we go to the cruise.
Like this. Oh,
Yes.
maybe, yeah. So that's perfect. Yeah? And then if you want,
It has 2
you
of
can
those.
always turn this out. So it makes this heavy, this protect you, like you don't feel any heavy here. So real nice, well built bags. The pure test will be after this
Yes, and actually
section.
the reason for which I chose this one is because I read about the guy who took a very expensive Canon camera in this bag. And it did very well. It didn't get wet.
Yeah, and then this is the gift, right?
Yes,
So let's check
for
this
your
out.
phone.
Huh?
For the phone.
Yep. Let me change cameras.
Because you open it from the wrong side.
No, you open it from there.
No, I see it.
Okay. So let's see
Let's see how that works.
how that works. Yes, I'm trying this. Oh, okay.
Oh,
I
there
see.
you go. It was going to be harder.
Oh, it's magnetic. Yes. Oh, and then you put your phone
Correct. And
right
it stays
there.
nice and dry. And you can take pictures of yourself while wearing the backpack. Oh, yeah, because your phone is big. I'm happy with it.
Yeah. So this is a magnetic thing. So let me open this. Okay. And oh yeah. You close it good. Can it, we say you say you can still use
Yeah, that's what I read.
oh yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I normally am.
Oh yeah. But I guess it's good for the sand too.
Yes, I thought about it exactly. Yes, so when you have to check the phone and you're at the beach,
I
you take it
wonder
out of
this
your yellow
floats
bag.
floats if you throw in the water.
Do you want to try?
I don't know if I want to try that.
I don't know. Let me see if I can find out somewhere.
Oh, and this is the Oh, okay.
It's a waterproof, snowproof, and dustproof phone case. It's touch friendly. It fits smartphones up to 6 inches, but it does not say anything about floating. So anyway, you just hang that thing from your neck and you'll be fine. You float.
That's it.
So the phone will float. And we're gonna try it at the beach and we see. You can also take it to the pool. You know when you take the phone to the pool?
Oh, yeah. You put it next to the pool, and then, yeah, that's true.
Excellent.
Yeah, to protect in case, you know, they dump the water in. Yeah.
Excellent.
Nice.
I love it. I love the bag so much. So shiny and
Yeah, it's cool.
beautiful. Feels
Yeah,
like
so the next section, you see some pictures, maybe video wearing this and right in the beach on the
Correct.
nice Caribbean waters, right?
Yeah.
All right.
With some fish around.
Okay. So, Melina, what do you think about
I
the
am
bag?
super happy with this floating waterproof dry bag. This one is 30 liters. The color is way better than the picture. It's way brighter and you see it from very far away.
One recommendation we can give it to you, if you're going to be shopping for this, I would recommend the 30 liters. There's a 40 liter, maybe the 40 liter is better. I don't know. She said maybe it's,
You know
think
what?
it's
Let's make
bigger.
it easier. 30 liters, you can fit 2 beach towels and 1 mask. If you were to have 2 masks, you will need the 40 liters or more beach towels.
Yeah, or we get another one. What we're thinking to do is just get another
To
one.
do it
Get you.
comfortably, so you don't have to, you
Yeah.
know.
Now it's waterproof and it was beautiful to use in the beach. Even the kids away, I guess how people do snorkel use this type of bag. Is the stop passes. Oh, you guys.
Professionals.
Yeah, I guess you guys go snorkel. Let me show you what part of the
And
beach.
we didn't even show anything. They just look at the bag. That's
Yeah, I
it.
guess the kids are away. And plus, it's good for anything you want to do, any type of sport.
Correct.
Winter time is snowing. And now, so we do recommend the 30 liters for this. Real happy with this product. It definitely does what it shows. And definitely we get another one.
Yes. We need
And if we had to recommend something, think about it. 30 liters, I think, is the best choice. It's maybe you need the small ones, but the small, I think that maybe
I wouldn't choose anything smaller than I wouldn't.
Yeah, so was a good call get the 30 liters, and we'll definitely
Unless you
get
go biking.
another
If
one.
you go biking, you might.
And definitely was good because when we finished, we put everything in our suitcases, and for some reason we'll come back with more stuff than what we
as usual.
went for the trip. And we use this to put shoes and put whatever extra stuff here that we
And
no
I put
longer
my heels in there, and actually it survived.
they no longer
beautifully.
fit on suitcase. So that case you can use that too. If you come in with a lot of stuff in, you can use this as an extra bag. All right, guys. So all the information for this particular product will be right below this video. Thank you.